In this video, you will learn how to apply the necessary rights to a directory so our programs can work without a problem. I'm going to use this particular directory, which is for our CRM, but it could be any other directory. So you go to Program Files. We see this at the top, Program Files. And then here in the CRM or any other, whether it is Automatic Investment Machine or Credit Money Machine Pro Plus, whatever it is, you're going to right-click, then Properties, then Security, then Edit, then Add, then Everyone, type Everyone here. Okay, then you click Full Control here. Okay, and then OK. And that's pretty much that. Then OK again once it's finished. And here we go. That's pretty much. And then the program has to be closed at the moment before you attempt to do this, and then that's it. You do it, and now the program should work without a problem. So that's all. Thank you.